So if you've ever used SolidWorks before and you go and open a drawing and the drawing doesn't show up and just center lines show up, you know that this can be a real pain. So for example, when I go to open my filter media file, let's let it load real quick. All that shows up are blank lines. So what happened is the part is no longer referenced to the drawing. And this usually happens when you change the file name or if you move the part. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to close the drawing. So you're just going to click close and you're going to do don't save. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open SolidWorks. So you're going to just open a clean version of SolidWorks. So you're just going to open SolidWorks like you're creating a new part. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, and then you're going to go to Open. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find the drawing file, and in this case it's filter media. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on References. And what you're going to do is you're going to reference the part to the drawing. So you're going to click on References, and you're going to click on the name of the part file. And what you're going to do now is you're going to find the part file. So in this case, my part file is on my desktop. So we're going to go to Desktop, and we're going to click on Filter Media. And we're going to double click, and then we're going to click OK. And after that, we're going to click Open. And what this is going to do is this is going to open the drawing back up. And in this case, as you can see, the drawing is now referenced to the part. And just to prove that it is, what we're going to do is we're going to do File, Save, since we did do a modification, and then we're going to close the program. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to where my drawing file is. So in this case, it's under my MEC 200 midterm. And we're going to go down to where it is, which is Filter Media. We're going to double click on that. And the drawing should be there without any boxes. And in this case it is. So I hope this helps you guys. I know this can be real frustrating, especially if you change part names or move files around. This has helped me a lot, and I hope it will help you guys as well. So thank you.